Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 8. We are dividing 3 and 4-digit dividends. So to divide a greater dividend, use the same process as dividing a 2-digit dividend. So in a 4-hour period, 852 people rode an amusement park ride. If the same number of people rode each ride each hour, if the same number of people rode the ride each hour, how many people rode the ride in the first hour? So let P represent the number of people. So we have 852. And we have to divide that amongst 4 hours, a 4-hour time period. So we can estimate 900 divided by 4. That's going to be, let's do that in a calculator, 900 divided by 4 should be 225. So I'm going to do our steps to the side: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat or remainder. So I'm going to start off with the highest place value. So 4 goes into 8. That is my highest place value because 852. So this is 800. So 4 goes into 8. That divides in there twice. Next, multiply. 2 times 4 equals 8. Now I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down. So I bring down the 5. And repeat. Now I have to divide. 4 divides into 5 one time. Multiply. 1 times 4 equals 4. Subtract. 5 minus 4 equals 1. And I can bring down the 2. So I'm going to bring down and repeat. 4 divides into 12 3 times. 3 times 4 equals 12. Subtract. 12 minus 12 equals 0. So 213 people rode the ride in the first hour. So if we check our answer, we can do 213 times 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1 equals 5. 4 times 2 equals 8. We get 852, so our answer checks out. So we have one more. This one's going to be in the thousands place. So we have divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. So it's the same steps. We're going to start off with the highest place value. In this case, it's the thousandths place value, thousands. So 7,006 goes into 7 one time. We multiply. 1 times 6 equals 6. Subtract. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Bring down. So we bring down the 9 to get 19. Repeat. 6 divides into 19 3 times. 3 times 6 equals 18. Subtract. 19 minus 18 equals 1. Bring down the 4. And repeat. 6 divides into 14 twice. Multiply. 2 times 6 equals 12. Subtract. 14 minus 12 equals 2. And bring down. So we're bringing down the 6 to get 26. 6 divides into 26 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract. 26 minus 24 equals 2. We can no longer bring down, so instead of repeat, now we're going to be at the remainder. So we have 2, and it's very important that we write the remainder 2 in our quotient because this is part of our answer. So we have 1,324 remainder 2. So we can check our work. I would just plug this into the calculator. We get 794, and then we have to add our remainder to get 7,946. I know I said one of these numbers wrong, but you get what I mean. So here's the guided practice. Go ahead and pause the video and try the guided practice. So I wrote my steps over here to the side. I'm actually going to do it with you guys. Since this is just a shortcut, since 2 divides into 2 evenly, 2 divided by 6 evenly, and 2 divides into 4 evenly, I know 2 divides into 2 one time, 2 divided by 6 3 times, 2 divided by 8 4 times. I know I could use this shortcut because everything divides evenly. But that's a shortcut. I'm going to go ahead and solve it normally. 2 goes into 2 once. Multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down the 6. Repeat. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 times 2 equals 6. Subtract. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down the 8. 2 goes into 8. Did I say 4 earlier? I hope so. Goes in there 4 times. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. So we get 134. So that's the end of the lesson. So thank you for watching.